Oh, look at you. Are you opening your mouth? Are you playing for the camera? First time I've gotten to catch you with your eyes open and hiccuping. Oh, you are just so adorable, you know that? Your shirt says it too. And the shirt's right. You know, probably about the time you're watching this, you are absolutely going to hate it when you have the hiccups. And you have absolutely no idea. You're completely oblivious to the fact that this is an annoyance to you. That is so cool to me. The absolute innocence. Alright. Now I'm going to watch you instead of watching you through this camera, okay?